Hi, step back and I want you to do your thing. How you love me, girl, if you just like a drink. Put up.
Good morning, ma'am. In here we come from group 9 will present our topic about professional development for English teacher, the career stack model as a framework for a lifespan perspective on professional development. And before it, I will introduce our member groups. My name is Prislia Hulu as a moderator, and my friend Prati Raja Gugu, Tirta Nenggolan, and Widya Amrita.
Okay, I will continue. Teacher career stack model as a framework for lifespan perspective on professional development. A developmental perspective on teacher identity and motivation leads us to expert process of adaptation and dynamics that are responsive to context. Critical to our understanding is the consideration that identity is a multi-dimensional construct in which the professional and social are interwoven. The beginning of the career, the first and second phase. The first 3 years of the teaching profession are a time of survival and discovery. Beginning teacher experience their initial years of teaching as a struggle for survival, typically reporting a sense of exhaustion, feeling overwhelmed, problem with student discipline, and continuous trial and error. At the same time, fulfilling the responsibilities of a classroom teacher brings a sense of accomplishment and discovery. The second, stabilization. Praise occurs around 4 until 6 years. During this time, teachers become more established in their profession and more affiliated with the teaching community. They also develop and further refine their instructional skill. Provide introduction program for beginning teacher. These programs are developed to ease the transition from college to classroom teaching by offering beginning teachers with formal and informal learning opportunities, including mentor, study group, classroom observation, and formal professional development activities. Moreover, beginning teachers learn through independent classroom teaching and informal discussion with the other teacher. In terms of the content of the activities pursued, beginning teacher attended more activities targeting classroom management and student discipline that did experienced teachers more than 3 years of experience. Beginning teacher thus choose to attend activities dealing with topics that are particularly challenging for those new the profession.
Okay, I'll continue for the third slide. The middle of the career, the third and fourth phase. The third phase, experimentation or activism and stock taking covers years 2 until 18 of the career and has two possible orientations. Experimentation and activism are reassessment and self-doubts. Teachers who wish to increase their instructional impact will experiment with new materials and instructional strategies. This activism may carry over into the school community and lead to additional professional responsibilities of promotion or coordinator, department head. In the absence of experimentation, teacher may experience self-doubts and consider leaving the profession. The third phase covers years 19 and 13 of the career and again has two possible orientations. The first is serenity or conservatism.
Okay, I will continue about the end of the career, the fifth phase. The last phase of the teaching career begins with approximately 30 years of teaching experience and is characteristic by withdrawal from the profession. Teaching at this stage tend to reduce their commitment and career ambition. Instead, focus more on personal goals. This change in career motivation can also be linked to teacher use of learning opportunities. As the potential future return to professional development activity decrease when retirement is imminent. Teachers at this point in their career can be expected to reduce their involvement in this activity.
The conclusion: the current chapter intends to make a contribution to a better understanding of career development over the lifespan by examining individual and contextual factors contributing to lifelong career development. Because needs and priorities of workers change over their life course. Workers today require intrinsically motivating work that meets their values, significant relationship with coworkers, and fulfillment of their emotional needs through work throughout their whole lifespan, and put general emphasis on subjective career success.